Yeah, it's snowing. Wow, I've always wanted to see New York under the snow. So there is some bits setting in places. I'm just going to go down to a couple of locations and near to my hotel and get some shots. Because this storm's only lasting until 11 o'clock today, I think. So it'd be great to take advantage of this opportunity and get some pictures. So I've got Times Square just down here, but there's somewhere else I really want to go to get a shot of like conditions like this. So we're going to head down there now and try and remain safe and try and keep dry. Don't think that's going to happen, but it's about 6 o'clock in the morning as well, so still a bit jet lagged. I'm still battling the old jet lag. Trying to think where I'm going, sort of know. Okay, so I'm just getting my camera and that ready, my tripod all set up ready. In these sort of conditions, you really want to be ready. I'm just under a bit of shelter here, so we'll get out there in a second and be ready to take shots. I've got the lens on I want on, the white lens I want on. I've got a cloth ready just to wipe the lens off, keep an eye on that. And yeah, just go and make an attempt for it. It's on the machine. Get rid of the snow. Right, so we've got some oncoming traffic here. Got a 4-second exposure there, which I think will be plenty enough. F11. Lens is still dry. Always make sure that your lens is dry after taking a shot. I just love these compositions here. I'm in a portrait orientation here just because you've got the tall buildings, you know. Just waiting for the traffic lights to clear and this truck out in the way now. It's one thing about New York, there's a lot of stop-start in between these streets. Oh, there's another photographer over here, look. They all know these conditions are just awesome. Okay, here we go, 4 seconds. Oh, I got a truck. That might add a nice effect. Keep it going while the traffic's still coming. Check that. Oh, maybe a couple. Oh, I've got a bus coming now. Buses always make for good. Probably one of my favourite compositions here now. You get the lights going all the way down here, you know. Just got to be a bit more careful because I am coming in towards the kind of the blizzard's kind of going into my lens from here. Really picking up now, this snow. Whoa. Whew. Here comes the traffic. How you doing, fella? You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Trying to hang in there.
Yeah.
The wind is whipping right now.
Yeah, it's quite nice, huh?
It's picking up quick.
Yeah. Oh man, wild out here. Look. Starting to set quite a bit now. My gear's getting soaked. The weather shielding on my Nikon is holding up really well. So I'm going to go to Times Square now, I think. Just trying to seek a bit of shelter somewhere. Man, these fountains are cool. So glad I got a picture of Radio City though. I've really wanted to get a photo of that at night time. But when it's been wet and snowing like that, it just really adds to it. So really happy I got that shot. Okay, just coming down to Times Square now. Got the M&M store here. Soaked, but it's good. Man, it's so epic out here. I couldn't have asked for better conditions, really. A bit more heavy snow would be good if I was being really cheeky, but just sitting in New York under the snow is just so cool. I reckon a safe spot would be in between here, maybe. To make a great shot, this. Should get to stay still just for 2 seconds. Right there. Right there. Nice bit of light coming down there. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, I'm just about to step foot into the heart of Times Square here. Just having a little analyse of the situation here. I was thinking about this last night. Really, I don't want long exposures here. There's so many fast-moving screens. It's better just to go in there and freeze the traffic as best you can, I think, which I mean using a high ISO. So, I mean, you could take a faster shutter speed for the screens and then take a longer shutter speed for if you wanted to create light trails in the traffic coming by, but you know, you just have to brush it in on Photoshop. I don't particularly want that. I think I'm just gonna, got one of my favourite food wagons here. Gonna get a shot of that, be cheeky. Wow, so cool here. Let's clean this off, make sure I'm good. It's insane, like in the snow, and it's so quiet as well. In the evening, it's absolutely mental here. So here's a great spot, I've been thinking. Get some of the traffic coming down there. Let's get to it. So you don't get much more dramatic than this. That quick clean. Bit of smoke coming here into the shot. Screens going off. Snow, traffic, wild out here. Oh man, that's nice. Some of the screens move really fast, so it's difficult trying to get a correct shutter speed here, you know, because you've got so many different speeds going on, so it's just a case of firing off. I mean, I think I've got that. Yes. Let's get some more traffic. There's one coming there. Really want some yellow taxis. That's what I really want. Oh, I'm gonna have to come back. I'll head back up that way later. My hotel's up there, so just gonna go down here, get some shots, and then make my way back up. Ooh, lorry. He won't add much to the image, I don't think, but we'll try. Nah. God, I can't even keep all this dry. But it's absolutely amazing. I'm getting some amazing shots. Super happy with them. Can't wait to get home and process some of them. Just want to get over here now. Seen a nice composition here the other day, looking down towards Times Square. I want the American flag in the image now. What I'm going to go for is probably someone passing with an umbrella away from me. The American flag, looking down to Times Square. That's kind of what I'm aiming for now. I'm gonna get a shot like that. Another photographer here. A couple of people passing with umbrellas now. Just gonna keep firing. Not many people out at all. Not getting the people that I want really, so I'm going to get in the shot myself now. Set it for a 3-second delayed exposure. Don't want this guy in it. Nobody else is coming. Oh, I'm getting it. Selfie. Go again, quick clean off. Go on, clean, selfie. Oh, I think I got myself. Nice, that'll do. Right, let's head back up Times Square. Gonna be more difficult shooting this way, I think I said earlier, because the snow's coming into this direction. So it's always gonna hit your lens. Oh, what's going on in there? Someone's filming. Good morning, America. No way. Oh, they might kick off me filming, I'm sure. Oh yeah, they're filming. How long will it be before I get told off here? So they're probably reporting on this snowstorm.
Now that we are in the winter, how can you get the best deal for your family? Scott Guys, founder of Travel Site Going, says be flexible with your location.
See if I can get on TV in America. ABC News. Oh, there they are. Do I recognise any of them?
It could be cheaper to book tickets individually.
If you one booking of 4 tickets, all 4 tickets have to have the same price. And if there's only 3 tickets left at the cheapest price, they're going to tell you the next most expensive one.
Don't know who they are. But that's pretty cool. It's kind of ironic because the rest of the week here in New York is going to be beautiful sunshine. Like I said earlier, maybe in this video, come 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, this will go. So it's nice to get out here now and get these shots while I can. God, I'm not going to lie, this weather is kicking my ass now. I swear he's about to steal my shot. Get snow in my mouth now. Look how quickly this is building up here. Just got a fire straight away. To be fair though, a bit of water spots on the lens might kind of add to the drama of the image, you know. Okay, well thanks for joining me on this video. It's been an absolutely amazing morning. The snow is still coming down so hard now. I mean, it's amazing. So probably going to get a couple of another shots, but I'll post all the pictures from this morning right now. See you on the next one. Yeah, okay, scratch that. Just gone back to my hotel, had a coffee, and I've had to come back out because New York has just turned into the most amazing winter wonderland. Check this out. It's just absolutely beautiful. There's one city in the world I wanted it to snow. It would be here in New York.